How to fix WhatsApp contact synchronization problems. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix WhatsApp contact synchronization problems. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix WhatsApp's contact sync problem, it could be because your WhatsApp app is lacking a contact permission. So maybe you're opening WhatsApp, the names are not displaying properly, the contact names are basically missing. This could be because WhatsApp is lacking the permission. So long press the WhatsApp app icon, then just tap the I button here. Then you simply want to go to this option called permissions. Once you go to permissions over here, you want to make sure to just tap on the contacts option and then just make sure to allow it, and then reopen WhatsApp and then see if that solves the problem. You might also want to go to call log and then make sure to allow it, and then you might also want to go ahead and allow the phone permissions or whatever other permissions it requires on WhatsApp. This should definitely help you solve the WhatsApp contact synchronization problems. If it doesn't, open up your Play Store, search for WhatsApp, check if the app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped solve your problem. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.